Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 12. This is Section 1.5, Problem 12. It says Sally spent $32 for shoes, $71 for boots, and $89 for a jacket. Without actually doing the computation, use estimation to see which of the following is closest to what Sally paid. And we have options of $100, $200, $300, and $400. Well, the shoes were $32, so I will round that to $30, so use a $30 estimate. The boots were $71, so that's pretty close to $70. And then the jacket for $89, I'll round that up to $90. That's pretty close. So now the 30 and the 70 add to 100. 100 plus 90 more is 190. So which is the closest? 100, 200. 200 is the one. 300 is getting too far away. 400 is too far away. So the option of what's closest to what was paid is option B, $200.